My confirmed person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. This na Favors blog. I will bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English for Thursday, maybe the 19th day of September 2024. The topic we will consider today now waiting on the Lord. And our Bible reading now from Psalm 27 from verse 13 go shook body enter 14. We go read them together. But where I for dey now, if to say I no believe say God go favor me for this land where I dey. So make you dey patient. So make you dey patient for God and get strong mind. Yes, make you dey patient as you dey wait for am. Memory verse for today na Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. As I dey read them, you go read after me. But people wey dey wait for God to come help them go get new strength and power. Dem go fly high like eagle. Even when dem run, dem no go tire. And when dem waka, dem no go faint. Make we enter the message for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Everybody at one time or the other go dey wetin they call waiting season. Your waiting season na period dey be like say you dey wait for something wey you want to come to you. Secondary student go dey wait which day go enter university. University student dey wait say which day I go graduate. The graduate dey wait say make e get work. The single person dey wait say okay I go soon marry. The married person dey wait to get children. The people wey don get children they go dey wait for the different stages of their children life. The waiting dey continue for different things at different times. We dey wait. Waiting na wetin nobody go fit avoid. However, wetin you dey do while you dey wait, e dey more important than wetin you dey even dey wait for. When people lose their patience with God and decide to do things wey dey outside His will to stop their waiting season, dey always dey regret am. For inside 1 Samuel chapter 13, from verse 8 go reach 14. 1 Samuel chapter 13, from verse 8 go reach 14. Saul got tired to wait for Samuel to arrive to come perform the sacrifice. So he decide say he go perform the sacrifice by himself. And this was dey against the will of God. That action alone cost am a throne. For inside Genesis chapter 16 for verse 1 go reach 3. Sarah tired to wait for God to give her pikin. So she could decide to do alternative. She could carry Hagar as servant, give Abraham as wife. She later regret am after Hagar don get belle come born. Inside Genesis chapter 16 verse 4. And today, that action wey Sarah do don result to great persecution for her descendant, her children's children. When you dey find alternative to God in order to make your waiting season short, e dey always dey end in regret. My wife and I one day we dey pray for one woman to get belle, but at some point the woman got tired to wait for God, so she can't go see herbalist. She get belle but the pregnancy was supposed to last for only 9 months, last for years. The last time when I hear about her, she still never born that pikin. Listen to this thing I want to tell you. Every alternative to God, they give the devil permission to oppress you. Make I talk am again. Any alternative when you get to God own, they give the devil permission to dey oppress you. The reason why we get plenty internet fraudsters today, or as we go call am for this part of the world, yahoo, na because many young people they no wan wait to get money in the correct way. But wetin dem don't know be say, although they go get plenty money and they will get her quick, wetin they go give in exchange for that money na their soul. Matthew 16 verse 26 to say, this is a very foolish thing because you go gain the whole world, but you go lose your soul in the process. No dey foolish not just be like who no get sense. Wait upon God, and He go surely come true for you. Wetin be our key point for today? Our key point for today be say every alternative to God dey give permission to the devil to oppress the believer. Na here we take come to the end of today's message. No forget say the topic wey we consider na waiting on the Lord, and we take this message from the Open Heavens Devotional of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. And na on top here, Favours blog, na you take receive this ogbongelicious message. All our subscribers, you too much, your teeth complete, your shoe shine, your face show. But if you never subscribe, help us subscribe to this channel. And everybody, I beg more, don't forget to like this video and turn on the notification bell so that as soon as we drop another video like this, bam, you will be first person to know. Hey, e don shele. The Redeemed Christian Church of God Young Adult and Youth Affairs present International Youth Convention 2024, and the theme for this year's convention na Dominion. The date na 30th of September to 4th of October 2024. Pastor E.A. Adeboye and other anointed ministers of God don tanda to bless your life for the redemption city of God, Kilometer 47 Lagos Ibadan Expressway, Ogun State, Nigeria. All you need to do now to register for this program, scan the code wey dey show for your screen right now to attend. Don't forget, say for everybody wey go attend, na 1 week free feeding and accommodation. And also, make you no forget to register for any of our skill acquisition program, as a lot of trainings go dey go on during the course of this convention. I don't know where you don plan to dey between the 30th of September to 4th of October, but I bet you that the Redemption City of God for the International Youth Convention 2024 na be the best place to be. Until we come your way again with another video, my correct person, make it better for you.